let's touch on a subject that you see a lot of on YouTube, and that is you don't really have the right of way. Now, the other day when we were out, when we don't have our Motovlog cameras and equipment on, I always have a camera on the front windshield of my bike. And that's usually facing outwards. And that's just in case something happens, I have video of the event. So, as you can see, we were at a four-way stop. And we were waiting our turn. The car across from us had gone, and it was our turn to make the left that we were going to make. As you see, I was starting to pull out as the car across from us, who it was not their turn, decided they were going. And right there, I had a choice to make. Do I continue my path of making the left, hoping that this woman stops, or this person, I should say? Or do I stop the motorcycle, let the ignorant person go, and honk the horn at them, and scream profanity, and then go on my merry way? Well, I ended up stopping. I decided that it was not worth the pain, the aggravation of this person not stopping and hitting me on my motorcycle. And she was completely in the wrong. Again, as you can see, I'll play it again for you guys. The SUV ended up going. It was our turn to go. Hubby was with me. Started to make the turn. As you can see, my motorcycle is now cocked in the direction of turning left. And all of a sudden, she starts moving, and yes.
And underline, we were moving, and while she was still stopped.
Yes, we started to move first.
We were moving. It was more or less our turn. It was. And she was facing us, so there was no yield the right of way or anything like that, or like you're really going to pay attention to that on two wheels. But we were already moving while she was still stopped. She didn't care.
No. And the thing about it is, these are the split decisions we choose to make. Do you continue on your path and hope the person stops? Or do you stop and, like I said, honk the horn, scream profanity, whatever? These are the choices that we have to make on motorcycles.
Well, the right way, the textbook way to do it, is leave your hands on the handlebars. No profanities, no hand signals. Just realize it is what it is. You're never, ever, ever right on a motorcycle. Ever. Because in the end, even if you think you're right, you're paying for it. Either your family's going to pay for a funeral, or you got some big-ass hospital bills coming and a lot of pain, and sometimes things you're going to live with for the rest of your life. You're never ahead, no matter what's going on the road, ever. Trying to buffalo someone, you shouldn't do it even in a car, but it happens all the time. Whatever. On a bike, you pay big time. Never pin yourself up, even against another motorcycle. No, it doesn't turn out good.
Yeah, so I know all you guys have run into this situation. You've been where we are. Even, the left turns in front of you and stuff. It's just not worth your life, the pain, your family's pain. It's just not worth it to bully your way and show that car that you're not going to back down. It's just easier sometimes to back down because you only get one life. There is no video game. This isn't a reset. You can't reset it and get a new life. This is real life. So just, you know, calm down, guys, and try to do what's right so that you can ride another day. That's the whole idea, is to ride safe so that you can get home and ride another day.